Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Lalan here. Now, I'm very sure during this COVID-19 lockdown period, most of the businesses are suffering. All of us know that actually. Why? Because we can't operate as usual. It's very odd. So some businessmen are having a tough time to actually cope with this period or to adjust to this period. Now, what I'm suggesting on the 6th April, which is this coming Monday, I'm doing a blogging class. I'm proposing businessmen to start blogging. This is the best time to blog. You can share information, you can educate your customers. You have to educate your customers to show your business is alive. You should share your testimonials. You should actually share how you do business. Do a good write-up on how you're doing your business in the past, in the present, and how you're going to do in the future. Now, writing articles is one of the ways you can touch the customer's heart because you actually care for them. You're writing this article, you're putting a lot of effort, you're showing you care for them. So in the class, I'll teach how to touch your customer's heart. During the class, I'll also help you all to produce one solid article, at least for 500 words. So I'm running the class on 6th April. So let's blog, let's write, let's enjoy. Don't get depressed during this time. This is the best opportunity to write articles. So see you all on Monday. Thank you everyone.